Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Maps and making sure location and internet are enabled. Once done, sign into your Google account so places and history sync. On mobile, tap the search bar. On desktop, use the search field. You don't need extra apps. Now type an address, place name, or drag the map to the area you want. This first action puts you exactly where Street View can be launched from, so zoom in until individual streets are visible. Next, access Street View directly. On mobile, tap a location's photo thumbnail labeled Street View. On desktop, drag Pegman from the corner onto a blue highlighted street. Blue lines indicate continuous coverage and blue dots show photo spheres. Once inside Street View, use on-screen arrows or swipe to navigate along the road and drag to look around. Make sure to use the zoom control or scroll wheel to change perspective. This step gives you ground-level context and the ability to inspect details. To finish, fine-tune your view and options. On desktop, click the clock icon to choose older imagery. On mobile, use available thumbnails. Save places, drop a pin, or share the Street View link for directions. If Street View won't load, make sure the app is updated and clear cache. Restart the device if needed. If coverage is missing, report feedback in the menu so Google can improve images. These final steps get you reliable, shareable ground-level views and a path forward if things break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.